Selector, run the track. Thanksgiving. Yes, sir.
Welcome to another Tales from Yard episode, and today it is my pleasure to visit with my family, my cousin, my good friend, all the way over there in Portland, Jamaica, yes, home of Blue Lagoon and Boston Jerk. I'm talking about none other than Rondell Positive. Today we are going to meet up with him and Latoya, his beautiful wife, as they get into their kitchen and do something very special for us. So Rondell Positive, as he is widely known in Jamaica and all over the world, is a recorded gospel artist from Jamaica. He is a motivational speaker. He is a philanthropist. He is all around a good guy. And Jamaicans love him because of his awesome style of music, that raspiness that comes out in his earthly urban sound. It really speaks volume, and it goes and cuts to the core of people's spirit and their hearts, and he invites you to know more about God through his music and his very, very energetic performance. Today, Rondell will be in his kitchen, however, and he is going to be cooking up a storm. I promise you guys, you're going to love this one. If you've never heard of Rondell Positive before, his music is on YouTube. He is on almost all social media, and you can also purchase his music online. All right, so without further ado, I'm going to give you a little bit more of Rondell, but I'm going to take you into the kitchen right after to see Rondell and Latoya cook up a storm as they make an awesome deep fried lobster. Hey, this is Tales from Yard. Ladies and gentlemen, Rondell Positive.
Hey, my name is Rondell Positive, and you're in my kitchen today. I'm cooking along with my lovely wife, Latoya.
Hi.
And guess what? I haven't cooked in quite a while.
That's true.
But I've found something that I really like cooking, and my family likes it when I cook that for them, except for Leanne. So today I'm going to be doing deep fried lobster in virgin coconut oil, right? Let's see what's going to happen. So what you're looking at are freshly seasoned lobsters with Maggi jerk seasoning, Maggi fish seasoning, and this is the powerhouse Maggi all-purpose. That's it right there. Now, as you can see, look carefully. You'll see that the seasoning has already been very nicely spread on each piece of lobster. And already I'm like tasting this. I'm using Original Grace coconut oil. This is the virgin coconut oil, and this gives the lobster a taste that is beyond explanation. So, as I said, we're doing deep, so we're going to pour a good portion of the oil in. Yeah, that should work. That should work. Great. You guys need to smell this oil. I wish you could smell it. There's just this savor that is just this smell, this aroma that is just beyond words. It's the power of coconut oil. So we're gonna take our time, and as I said, look at this, look at that. You see the seasoning on that? And then on the shell, wow. Yep. The lobster is nice color. The color of the lobster is very plain, and that tropical feel. So in addition to the deep fried lobster, we're going to make some sweet potato salad. So the pot is already boiling. So I'm cutting up the sweet potato to add to the water. So we just add some mayonnaise to our potatoes, and then we're just gonna add some cinnamon to it, and that's basically it, your sweet potato salad. Very easy, and it tastes great. And that's it. So there you have it, guys. In my kitchen, we did deep fried lobster in Grace original virgin coconut oil, seasoned with Maggi seasoning. That is all-purpose fish and jerk seasoning. And then you have, this is the sweet potato salad sprinkled with cinnamon and corn on the cob. I had fun. I hope you guys had fun. It's now time for us to go and deal with this thing. My name is Rondell Positive. My wife, Latoya, she wasn't really into the camera, but she'll get there. You know what? I actually didn't tell her that we're doing this, and I did it purposely.
Hey Rondell, mind you make Latoya come for me in a star. Latoya is not my fault here. It's not my fault. But once again, guys, I want to just thank Rondell and his family for making this awesome dish. deep fried lobster, seasoned down with some Maggi seasoning and deep fried in grace coconut oil, served with some beautiful creamy sweet potato with a little bit of cinnamon on the inside. Guys, I promise you this one looks good. Me can't wait for go home. Me cannot wait to go home. Once again, I just want to thank Rondell, your entire family, the entire Allen clan for putting this together. It has been Tales from Yard on Yardie Belly TV. Big up on yourself. Remember me tell you.